Hey y'all, so I am coming back to you guys with a new video. See, I've already done my eyebrows and put like a base on my lids. So if you want to see how to do that, I'm gonna link my two videos here and you'll be able to click and watch and see how I do my eyebrows, how I base my lids and everything like that. We're gonna get started. I'm getting my best friend. And to warm up my lids, I'm going to shade here. And then I'm gonna put this on the rim of my brow, just right here. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a Juliana artist. You see what I'm saying? I, you know, get it together for myself, so please don't judge. And the look I'm going for today is just a nice smoky eye. First, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner just so I can to be black. I'm gonna take my blending brush. And I'm gonna go back to the soft blend palette and use Rustic to try and soften all this. And I'm also gonna go in with Citrus Umber. So a mixture between Citrus Umber and Rustic. That's hot. Because as soon as I add my eyeliner, it would define the black a lot more. Can I apply it? In my face. Y'all, the key is to blend. Blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna take the residue from everything that you've been blending. I'm just gonna blend it out. Alright, so I'm just taking Nor and I'm smoking the rest of this out. I'm just gonna smoke it all out and use Sienna. Sienna and Rustic mixed. I do want you guys to see the black defined on here. I look like bae. That's what I look like, bae. Soft glam. I'm gonna use the residue and just smoke it out. So I'm gonna bake. And I'm using this right here for my highlight. When you're on a budget, but you still need a matte finish,